Hello student, this is your maths class and we are going to discuss the chapter 13 basic construction. In this chapter, in the previous video, we have discussed to copy a line segment, to draw the perpendicular on a line from the given points and to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. We also discussed how to copy an angle. So in this video, we will discuss these two following topic. One is that the bisect a given angle. Means any angle is given and we have to bisect it. What are the steps we follow to bisect it? We will learn in this video. Then by using the compass and ruler, we will study to make the angle of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. So start with the topic number 1, to bisect a given angle. We have given a angle, let us angle AOB is given. Let angle AOB is a given angle. So first of all, we will draw an angle with the help of our ruler. This is AOB, angle AOB. Now we have to bisect it. So what is the step that we follow to bisect it? Is called step of construction. So the one by one, what we will do, we will write it. You can see in my hand there is a compass. I have to take any radius, whatever you want, you can take in your compass, and with O as a center, you have to draw an arm which intersect the arms of the given angle AOB at the two different points. Let's M and N. So what I did, I will write. Take any radius in a compass. Radius in your compass. And with O as a center, draw an arm which intersect the arm of angle AOB at M and N. 2 points. Then with the same radius, you have to draw the two arms, one from the M, another from N. One from M, another from N. These two arcs are intersecting each other. Mark this point as a C and join this O to C. Join this O to C. You will get the bisector of this angle AOB. So in the second step, what we will do, with same radius, draw arcs from M and N which intersect intersect at C. Then join OC. OC will be the bisector of angle AOB. So I hope you understood this construction. 3 steps will be there to construct or to draw the bisector of an angle. So same step you will follow and you can bisect the any given angle. Now second topic, constructing an angle. Constructing an angle. So in this video we will discuss the construction of 3 types of angle: 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. So we will start with the 60 degree. Either you want to draw the 60 degree or 120 degree or 180 degree. First of all, you have to draw a ray. So I will teach you both together. First of all, we have to draw a ray. Suppose I have drawn here a ray OA. For 120 also you can draw another ray PQ. Now the step 1 is same for both. Step 1. And here is the step of construction. First step, draw ray OA. Then take any radius in your compass and draw an arc with O as a center which intersect the rays OA at point M. So what we did? Take any radius and draw an arc with O as a center which intersect OA at M. Now with the same radius from M you draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at any point. Mark this point as a B and join this B to O. Join this B to O. You will get the angle BOA 60 degrees. So in the third step, draw another arc of same radius from N which intersect the previous arc at B. Fourth, join OB we will get angle AOB equals to 60. So same step of construction we will write for all. If you want to make the 120 degree angle, you have to do the same. Take any radius in your compass and draw an arc with P as a center. With P as a center. Now 120 is equal to 60 plus 60. So it means with the same radius you have to draw the 2 times arc. One from this point of intersection of the arc and the ray. This is the first thing. Then again where the two arcs intersect, from there you draw another arc. Again you will see these two arcs are intersecting each other. You can mark this point R and join this to P. You will get your 120 degree angle. So step of construction you will write this similarly. Again for the third, that is the 180 degree, we will follow the same step of construction. First you draw the ray. Suppose this is the C and this is the D. So we draw a ray CD. Now we have to draw the 180. 180 means 60 plus 60 plus 60. So 3 times we have to draw the arc of the same length. Same radius. Like this you have seen. So this is the first arc. This is the 60 degree. Again from 60 you will draw. So you will get the another 60. Then 60 plus 60, 120, and then again from the 120 you will draw another. So 120, 120, and then 60 you will get 180. So in this way you will draw the 180 degree angle. You can see a straight line you are getting. This is the point C and this is the another E. So you will get angle DCE, which is 180 degree. So I hope all of you understood this. How to draw the angle with the help of the compass and ruler. One more thing I want to clear you. With the help of compass and ruler, you can draw the angle which are either the multiple of 60 or some multiple of 60. Like 30, 15, 45. So this type of angle we will discuss tomorrow in another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.